You are watching Auto Resolve. Today we will show you how to empty the water tank or use a hose to drain your SereneLife Portable AC step by step and stress free.
Manual drain when cell, error, or tank is full. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the unit. Step 2. Carefully move or tilt the unit to avoid spilling water. Step 3. At the side or back water drain port, remove the drainage cover and pull out the rubber plug. Step 4. Place a bucket or tray underneath. The water will automatically drain by gravity. Step 5. When flow slows or stops, reinsert the plug and tighten the cover. Step 6. Plug the unit back in and restart it. It should automatically reset from LL. Hose drain for continuous drying, recommended in dry dehumidify mode only. Step 1. Again, power off and unplug the unit. Step 2. At the dehumidification drainage nozzle, usually near the top drip tray, remove the pneumatic plug. Step 3. Insert the clear drain hose, usually supplied. Make sure there are no kinks. Step 4. Orient the hose downward with a 20-degree slope or more. Step 5. Route hose to a nearby drain or a large container. Don't submerge the end to avoid airlock. Step 6. Do not run hose in cooling mode as it bypasses the unit's water recycling system and may reduce efficiency.